Tropical storm Melissa continuing to meander in the Caribbean Sea, and it's literally doing just that. It's not really moving for now, but the language has changed from the National Hurricane Center. It is a little bit more intense, especially when it comes to Haiti. But even for Jamaica, we are talking about a potential multi-day prolonged weather event with heavy rain, potential for landslides, and strong damaging winds. For Haiti, the language becomes a life-threatening situation as potentially this could be resulting in communities being very isolated if buildings and roadways are damaged. So let's talk about the hurricane itself, because this is expected to rapidly intensify into one over the coming days. If we were to divide this in four, cut it up like a cake, it's in terms of the direction of movement, the right side that is the most damaging, or has the potential to be the most damaging, with the strongest winds and the heaviest rain. Right now, when we start talking about rainfall amounts across Hispaniola, this is like unimaginable. In a given year, Toronto sees about 700 millimeters of rain. We are talking about potentially more than that, especially over mountainous areas and the risk for landslides. We are talking more than that for, again, parts of Haiti, and just in a couple of days, right? And the Dominican Republic. Strongest winds looking to be Tuesday into Wednesday for Jamaica over to Cuba. These are likely well underdone. I don't like this forecast model. I think these winds are definitely going to be stronger, especially if this blows up into a strong Category 4 or 5 storm. All right, so that's what's happening in the Caribbean over the next week here. It's lake effect showers. We still have them on and off through the morning hours tomorrow. Temperatures very similar to today at 11 degrees. And we are talking about more sunshine as the weekend goes on. The sun will stay in place on Monday. Now, Monday will wake up to about 4 or 5 degrees or so in the city of Toronto, but it's going to be a little chillier. We've got the risk of frost and some sub-zero temps on Monday morning once you get outside of the city to the north and east.